Okay, now I want to show you how to construct an external and internal tangent to two equal circles. How to construct an external and internal tangent to two equal circles. So the radius of the circle I'm using is 20 mm. While the distance between the centers of the circle or circles is 100 mm. Now the construction goes like this. So the first one that I want to draw is the construction of an external tangent to two equal circles. So the construction goes as follows. So the first thing that I need to do is to draw a horizontal center line. The horizontal center line. So I'm doing it here. Then let me extend this a bit. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to measure 100 mm on this line. 100 mm on this line. So starting from here, and so this is 100. Okay, so I'll call this point, I'll call it point A, and this point I will call it point B. So they are the centers of the circles. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take 20 mm on my ruler. So take 20 mm on the ruler. So I'll put at this point, center A, and draw a circle. Okay, then so with the same 20, so I put it at B and draw a circle. Okay, so I want to the diameter of this circle, so let me call this point, let me call it point PQ. So this is P and this is Q, so which is diameter of the circle. So this is P and this point is Q. So I will bisect the diameter of the circles, So I put my compass here and extend my compass to any convenient radius. So draw an arc up and down. So put it here, draw an arc up and down. So don't forget that PQ is the diameter of the circle. So repeat the same thing here. Then I will draw the bisector of diameter. Okay, and I'll do the same thing here. Okay, so this bisector touch this point on the circle, so you touch it at point C. I'll call this point, call it point C, and for this you touch it at this point, I'll call it point G. Then I will join this point and this point, I will join them together with a straight line, and that straight line will be an external tangent to these two equal circles. It will be an external tangent to these two equal circles. So it goes like this. Okay, so this line is an external tangent to these two equal circles. So this is how you can construct an external tangent to two equal circles. So next I want to show you is how to draw an internal tangent to two equal circles. So the first thing I'm going to do is to draw a horizontal center line. Okay, then so the distance between the centers of the circle, I'm still using 100 mm. So let me extend this a bit. So I'm still using 100 mm for the distance between the centers of the circle. So this is 100. Okay, then so this point is, this is A, and this is B. So I will draw the circle of radius 20 mm. Radius 20 mm. So distance between the centers of the circle AB is 100 mm. So draw the circle. Also draw the circle. Okay, so I've drawn the circle. So the next thing I'm going to do is to bisect distance AB. Bisect distance AB. So bisect distance AB. So extend your compass to any convenient radius. So I'll put it at point A. So draw an arc up and down here. So put it the same radius at point B. Draw an arc up and down. So then I will draw the bisector. Okay, so the point where this bisector touch this line AB, so I'll call it point C. Then I will bisect AB. So bisect AB because I'm going to construct a semicircle between point A and point C. So I need to bisect the distance between AC so that I can get the midpoint of the semicircle, or the midpoint of AC. So put your compass at point A, extend to any convenient radius. So draw an arc up and down. So put the same radius at point C here and draw an arc up and down. Then I will draw the bisector of AC. Alright, so it meets it at this point here. It meets line AC at this point. So I put my compass at this point here. So let me call this point, let me call it point E. Okay, so the midpoint of AC is called E. So I put my compass at point E, extend my compass to point A here. Okay, then I will draw a semicircle. I draw a semicircle. So a semicircle goes like this. Okay, so this is semicircle. Alright, so the semicircle touch this circle. It touch this circle at this point. So I'll call this point, I'll call it D. So I call this point, I'll call it D. So where the semicircle touch this circle, so I'll call it point D. So this is point D. Then I will take my compass. So I put it at point C here and extend it to point D here. So extend it to point D here. Okay, extend it to point D on this circle. Then I will turn it and draw an arc on this circle. So this point is point F. Okay, then I will join point DF together with a straight line, and this straight line is an internal tangent to these two equal circles. So it goes like this. So this is an internal tangent to these two equal circles. So the first one that I did is that of an external tangent to these two equal circles, while this one is the construction of an internal tangent to these two equal circles. So the construction of an external tangent and internal tangent to two equal circles is as simple as I've shown it here. Thank you.